After a long day of trudging around in the hot sun, the members of the VHPA finally get a chance to rest and get ready for the nighttime festivities. The annual banquet is an amazing formal dinner that promises to be a highlight of the week. But before the meal can be served, 2,000 plus people must find their seats. In an age of technology, the VHPA committee relies on a new innovation this year, a computerized seating chart. But of course, technology doesn't always follow through to the best of its ability. As thousands of people scramble to find their seats dressed in their best attire, the clock ticks and the confusion dies down. This year's president, Mike Sherman, takes center stage.
Okay, first of all, I've noticed something that's a fact. Helicopter pilots marry up. So here we go. If this is your first reunion, please stand up so you can be recognized. My brothers, this is the largest reunion we have ever had, and we have had more new people here this year than we had since the first reunion.
And the festivities begin.
Colors. Reset.
Please remain standing for the national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose bright stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight for the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bomb bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave?
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain standing for the toast to the missing man.
The missing man toast and ceremony. Each element arranged on the table, set for one, is small, symbolizing the loneliness we feel without them. The tablecloth is white, symbolizing the purity of their intentions and willingness to respond to their country's call to arms. The single rose in the vase reminds us of the families and the loved ones of our comrades in arms, who kept the faith, awaiting their return, and forever left behind. The red ribbon, tied so prominently on the vase, is reminiscent of the red ribbon worn by many who bear witness to their unyielding determination to account for every one of our missing soldiers. A slice of lemon is on the bread plate to remind us of their bitter fate. There is salt upon the bread plate too, symbolic of the river of tears shed by families and loved ones. The glass is inverted. They cannot toast with us this night. The chair is empty. They are not here. Our lives are incomplete because they are not here to sit with us tonight. They were there for us. We are still here for them. In honoring them, each of them, all of them, we stand silently and face their table. The table where they should be sitting with us tonight. We stand silently in their absence. Please raise your glass in a toast to the missing man. We flew with and called you comrade. We will never forget your ultimate sacrifice. Everything these members do is to pay tribute to their fallen comrades. What a troubling fate to fall upon when one defends their country and has nothing to show for their plight but the memory of the mission they fought. For many, the simple gesture means a million words designated only in memories of those who can take the time to remember the heroes that never came home.